Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can enable email notification on OnlyFans. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type OnlyFans and press enter in your keyboard. After that, this is the search result that's showing to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is OnlyFans. Just click on it. And when you have previously logged in, this is the interface that is shown to you. And in the bottom of the left hand side, just above the new post, there is an more option. Just click on that option and a pop-up box is opened, and in the middle of the pop-up box there is an setting option. You have to click on the setting options, and in the settings option there is the notification option in the below. Just click on the notifications, and in the right hand side notification box is opened, and below the push notification on the second option there is an email notification. You just have to click on the email notification, and in the first there is an email notification option, and in the right hand side there is an option to turn on the email notification. So I have successfully turned on the email notification previously, so it shows the blue button on the right hand side. So if you have disabled the email notification, you can just click like this and you'll be able to enable your email notification. So this is how you can easily enable email notification on OnlyFans. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.